Curious about framing a hip roof? This type of roof slopes on all sides, forming a pyramid shape, valued for stability and visual appeal. Welcome Drilling Nerd community. I am James. In this video, I will lead you through framing a hip roof, breaking down each step with simple tools and techniques. What you will need before we dive in. Let's gather our tools and materials: safety gear, safety glasses, gloves, dust mask, hammer, circular saw, tape measure, level, pencil, straight edge like a long piece of lumber, nails, lumber including ridge board, common rafters, hip rafters, jack rafters, wall plates. Step 1. Constructing the walls. First thing first, we need to build the walls that will support our roof. Follow your chosen wall framing plan to construct the wall sections. Remember to keep everything plumb, perfectly vertical, using your level as you go. Step 2. Installing the wall plates. Once your walls are framed and standing tall, it's time to position the wall plates. These are horizontal boards that will be nailed to the top of the walls and will provide support for the rafters. Make sure the wall plates are level all the way around the perimeter. Step 3. Framing the ridge. This is the peak of the roof where all the rafters come together. Nail the ridge board along the center line on top of the opposing wall plates. You might need a helper to hold the ridge board in place while you secure it. Step 4. Introducing common rafters. Measure the length and angle of the rafters carefully. Once you have your measurements, cut the common rafters and nail them securely to the ridge board and wall plate. Repeat this process on both sides of the roof. Step 5. Hip time. These run diagonally from the ridge board down to the corner of the wall, forming the sloped edges of the roof. Cutting hip rafters requires a little more complex measuring and cutting techniques. If you are new to carpentry, consider seeking help from a more experienced DIYers or professional for this step. Step 6. Jack rafter magic. Jack rafters are shorter rafters that fill in the gaps between the hip rafters and the common rafters. Measure and cut these rafters to fit snugly between the ridge board, hip rafters, and wall plate. Secure them with nails like you did with the other rafters. Step 7. Sheeting and beyond. Congratulations, you have framed your hip roof. The next steps involve installing roof sheeting, the base of your roofing material, and then you choose a roofing material itself. But that's a story for another video. There you have it folks. For more detailed instructions and visual aids, be sure to check out the resources on our website drillingnerd.com.